What's up, random monkey gang? Just go with that and just go with the song, please. Anyways, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Fun Monkey Horror because I heard it's a fun game and I want to try it out. I don't think that's a pretty good way to explain it, but anyways, yeah. So let's go. Alright guys, so I've played this game before, but I think I accidentally took a poop. Wow, it jump scared me. It just came out because I was too scared. You don't worry about that. But I did not see this update. What? Where did we go? Oh no, man. Wait, what the? This Area 51? What in the Roblox? What in the Roblox is this? The Roblox? What the Roblox? Where am I? Not gonna lie, that has never happened to me in any game. But I love the idea of survive and kill the killers in Area 51 in this game. I love that game. I play it all the time. I love Roblox. But yeah, that's a really cool idea for a game. But there's the pool rooms. All of these are terrifying, bro. I think the pool rooms.
Get back to work! Get back to work! Did I say you could
Get back to.
I'm scared, bro.
Hey, you get away from me! What? Oh.
Oh, there he is. Hi, Buster. We're good. We're good.
Oh!
Yo, we go. He's
Oh.
chasing someone else.
No!
Don't come down here, okay? I don't see him. You did exactly what I told you not to do.
I don't care. I'm doing it anyway.
What's going on, guys?
Oh no!
Okay, we're good, guys.
Yeah, I think we're good, man.
Bring this for a Sour Patch Kid? Is that a Sour Patch Kid? Bro, I caught it.
He's over there.
So sad to think about.
Bro, he looks like a black Sour Patch.
I'm scared. Yo, guys. Give it, cut it. Give it. No, bro, I said.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Was that Freddy?
Bro, he's not. No!